Hi, this tutorial is to show you how do you create and use numeric variables. So now I'm going to show you how do you create variables to hold numeric values or numbers, and then after that I will show you how you can use these variables to do simple arithmetic problems, and then it will display the result of that arithmetic problem on the screen. I'm going to create two variables here, and the first variable I call it number 1 and the other one I call it number 2. So let's start. So I can create a variable by starting with the $sign or the string symbol, followed by the name of the variable, and I assign a value to this variable. Let's say I assign the value 8. As you can see now, if it is a number, I do not need to enclose it within a double quote. So now I proceed to the next one. Number 2 equals to, let's say for example, I give it a value 2. And then now I would like to store the I would like to add now the variable number 1 and the variable number 2. Once I have added them, I'm going to put them into a variable called total. So I will type total. Now I will assign the value where number 1 plus number 2. So once I have added these two variables, the value of these two variables, the result will be stored in this variable here called total. And now I'm going to display the result on the screen. I can do so by going to the part where I want to see the result. Let's say for example over here, and maybe I put in the word here total, and then colon the value that I have there, and I put in the PHP code echo the value located inside of the variable called total, and then we close our PHP code and save our file and preview our page. So this is how the result will look like. You see the word total followed by the value 10, which is the result of adding the value of number 1 variable and the value of number 2 variable. Of course, this is not the only way that we can play with numbers. I'm just showing you a simple example of how we can assign numbers to variables and how we can do some simple calculations or simple arithmetic with numbers. So that's all for this tutorial.